All right, lesson 17. It's time to upload our course to the appropriate sites. Let's recap it. We have our avatar. We know who we're targeting. We know exactly who they are, where they hang out, how to get in front of them. We know what problem keeps them up at night. We presented a unique solution for them to solve that problem. We broke it down into our signature strategy, our 5-step system, etc. We added frameworks to make it easier for them to remember. Okay? We downloaded our software. We wrote out our outlines. We expanded on our outlines. We added an intro. We added a summary page. We added a recap page. We started filming all of our videos. Now they're done. We made our thumbnails. We have everything set up. It's time to upload them to our appropriate sites, okay? So if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you real quick. Whoopsie. First, we'll go to YouTube. If you have a YouTube page, you want to go up here, you don't want to get any software yet, just you can upload them on YouTube and then put a link below for like your affiliate products or your products, or a free course goes to your next course. You can put this up as test and get feedback, whatever. I'll show you the strategy first. Create, upload video. And then earlier we made sure that we configured our screen sharing software to download in the correct file format so that we can upload without any problems. We'll select files. I can probably select them all, but let's just make this quick. I'll do intro and lesson 1. Boom. All right, they're uploading. Here's the intro. While this is uploading, maybe we go to edit draft. And then maybe we go down to thumbnail. And then maybe we go to build your first online course, thumbnail. Cool. Then that's ready to go. We can go back. We can change, title, description, all that later on. Unnecessary at the moment. Saved. Boom. Next. X out. That would get done checking. You can add your description. We'll come back around to that, but then we can post it. I'll post this live in a video or two now, but not just yet. All right. If you elect to go through iFocusHQ using the iFocus automation system, you started your trial. You have access to this in your trial. Okay. You go down to memberships. You go to courses. You go to products. How to build your first online course. By the way, if you didn't start it yet, create new product from scratch, start building, you can name it. Name whatever you want. We'll go back for a second because I started this just to test and make sure everything worked correctly. I didn't want to look like too much of a chump on here. All right, so how to build your first online course in less than 24 hours. Section 1 will be strategy, kind of like we went through. Boom, intro. All right. Intro loaded. I'll show you everything on this page. Add lesson. It'll be lesson 1. Save. Boom. All right. Publish. Do it any order you want. Upload video. Like we said, MP4 is preferred. Here's lesson 1 right here. Cool. Uploading right to your course. We're making our course right here. You can do the same, and boom, it's there. Upload image. Now, I don't know if I saved that one, so what I'll do is show you in here how to create your first course. Thumbnail. Upload thumbnail. How to build your first online course. Thumbnail. Boom. Uploaded. Ready to go. Already saved. We can preview it. Good to go. So now you know how to upload on YouTube if you want to go that route. Or if you jump to the trial, use the software. You see how super easy it is to upload right on iFocusHQ. All in one software to build, market, and sell your online course. If you don't already, start the trial. Start the trial and put it up. If you can't figure it out or you don't like it, cancel it. I don't care. But I'm going to help you do it. I want you to win. I want you to win, and you can have this clearly up in 24 hours, and you have 6 days to figure out how to get this in front of people. I think you can do it. But that's up to you. That's not my job. However, I would love to help you out. So if you do go that route, shoot me a message in the community, DM me, whatever, get a hold of me somehow, and I'll help you out. Okay? Until then, I will see you in the next episode.